Hi, my name is Justin and I'm with ExcelGainz. So for today's example, I'm going to walk you through how to use the SUMIF formula. So just say you have this raw payroll data for a small company you work at, and the employees are coming to you and asking how much do they earn to date after taxes. So a quick way to do that would be the SUMIF formula. You're going to sum if their name shows up. So I'm going to start off by copying my list of employees, and I'm going to paste special, Control-Alt-V to paste value so I don't copy that formatting. And then I'm going to highlight column J by clicking on the J, going to the Data tab in the top ribbon, hitting Remove Duplicates in column J. 8 unique values remain. That represents the 8 employees that work here. I'm also going to alphabetize these by hitting the A to Z downward. Then I'll start by making my SUMIF formula. I'll hit equals SUMIF, and I'll hit the FX, which is the formula builder. Now, the range is the range of cells you want evaluated. We're evaluating the employees. The criteria will be one cell to the left of the formula, Bruce Wayne. The sum range is the net pay. The sum range are actual cells to sum. Okay, in Excel, parts of the formula need to be an absolute reference. What does that mean? That means you absolutely refer to certain sections of the formula no matter what. So I'm just going to go ahead and not put an absolute reference in to show you how it comes up without it. So if I double click this green square to drag down my formula and I look at one of these lower formulas, you'll see this blue and purple box for the range and sum range are dragging down, which is going to make us miss data. So I'm going to hit Control Z and undo that. Now I'm going to highlight the blue, hit Function key F4, to make it an absolute reference. I'm going to do the same for the purple and hit Enter. And now I'm going to double click this green square to bring it down, and you'll see that the purple and blue stayed in their respective location as we specified per the absolute reference, right? So now I'm just going to do a quick sum to make a reconciling amount to make sure the formula worked, and it did. You'll see 146781, 146781. So that's how SUMIF works. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Be sure to tune in to my next video. We'll show SUMIF tips and tricks. Be sure to subscribe if you want more ExcelGainz.